Alright, so we're going to do a quick test of the Neo2 on my phone. So we're doing I'm going to do a phone Wi-Fi range test. I don't have the transmission module yet, so I'm not going to do a controller test yet. And just going to show you my phone here. I'm in a residential neighborhood at a park. And there's a bunch of Wi-Fi here. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what we got. And the signals aren't too strong, so there shouldn't be too much interference, but there's definitely Wi-Fi in the area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my phone into airplane mode. Alright, go ahead and turn on the Neo2. Launch the DJI Fly app and turn on my Wi-Fi only. Looks like I'll turn on Bluetooth as well. Now the Neo2 is detected. Connect. So I'm going to turn on manual control and put this into full screen mode. Alright, I'll start recording on the Neo2 and go ahead and take off. Start heading backwards. So I'm going to keep it close to the ground, just in case I get disconnected. Okay. I saw a little stutter there. I'm not sure where. Okay, so it shows my distance there, 19 meters away. Keep going. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 34. It's going quite fast, actually. And I still have signal. Wow, I'm really far away. When I did this test with the Neo, I didn't get very far. Still going. Okay, very interesting. Saw a little stutter there. Not sure if that meant anything or not. Very low to the ground. I'm only like a meter off the ground, 0.8 meters. I'm surprised at how far this is going. I'm 100 meters away, just on the phone Wi-Fi. And I think that's plenty for me. Let's go forward. I'm at the other end of the field. That's kind of crazy. Let me just yaw around. So I'm looking at myself here. I'm gonna yaw around. All right, let's go forward now. Let's see how far I can go. I wasn't sure if I was gonna run into that fence over there. And amazing range on Wi-Fi only. It's just kind of unexpected. And I'm really low to the ground. I saw a few stutters, but it's still really good. Let's go up a little bit, get a little altitude, 2.1 meters up. What I'm worried about is losing connection and then it's stuck up there and I have to wait for the battery to die. I'm really amazed how far I've gotten on just Wi-Fi alone. This is the other end of this soccer field here, 136 meters away, and I have full video, plenty of control. Really amazing. Alright, so now I feel more confident I can kind of go upwards a little bit. Yeah, I'm really surprised. Alright, let's go forward. Let's pull the gimbal down a little bit. So I am in a urban area, or suburban area. A lot of Wi-Fi here. You can see there's a bunch of houses. And maybe when I did the test with the Neo, it was an office park environment. That was perhaps a factor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this in. I'm more than happy with this range for just Wi-Fi only. Perhaps that's why they don't sell the transmitter module with this. So I'm going to bring this in here. Controls are not that smooth using the phone. Perhaps that could be adjusted in the settings. But bring it back in here. Alright, powered on the Neo. And just connect here. I'm going to run the same test. Okay, go to manual control, full screen mode. And we'll take off. Agree with the warning. Okay, let's go. So staying low to the ground again, and I'm going to hold the phone in the same position as I did the Neo2. There's been two or three firmware updates since I did the last test on the phone on the Neo. Interestingly, it doesn't show me any distance information. That is just height only. So that might be a new feature in the Neo2 that doesn't exist on the Neo. But I think I'm sensing that I'm already going further.
Max flight distance reached.
Oh, there's a max flight distance limitation on the Neo that's not on the Neo2. Perhaps because the Wi-Fi is not as strong. I wonder if I can change that in the settings. Let's see here. I don't see anything about max distance for Wi-Fi control. So if I try and go back any further,
max flight distance reached.
Yeah, it stops me. It won't let me go any further. If anyone knows a way to get around this limitation, let me know. Because I never encountered that on the last test, but I lost video before I got that far anyway. But yeah, this is definitely a pretty big difference in terms of the range between the Neo and the Neo2. I didn't realize it was that big of a difference. But wanted to show that just in case any of you guys were wondering. And that'll do it for this video. Talk to you guys later.